strategy and the work that goes into it is really crazy. I learned a whole lot about the sport, in just 3 days. I learned an immense amount. Thanks Lincoln Tech for, so much for sending me out to do this. And Schmidt Peterson Motorsport. I couldn't thank you guys more for what you've allowed me to experience.
Honestly, I'm just excited for the experience. I didn't know what to think when coming here, what I'd be doing, or who I'd be meeting, but I'm just glad to be here about the experience, and being the first time I've ever been to a race and being part of the pit is awesome. Cole was really nice. He's a nice guy, being around the same age as me, about a year older, and also a grad from Lincoln Tech, and to be here, it's quite the achievement. He's been with the team for, I believe he said 5 seasons, and it's inspiring that someone who was me is now where he is right now.
My name's Evan Roberts. I'm from Wichita, Kansas, and today's just been spectacular. Never seen anything like it. This is my first time at Texas Motorplex. I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying being a part of the pit crew. The type of fuel, the gears that they use, what kind of RPMs they ride at, and just their whole system on pit stops and all that. Didn't know much about that, so I've learned a lot today.
I've been working with the tires a lot. I've been doing anything that I'm told to help with, breaking down the tires, getting all the wheel weights off, really anything that I can get my hands on, they've been letting me get my hands on. So it's been a lot of fun just working, running, getting everything where it needs to be that I can. I'm really hoping I can use this as a stepping stone to get into the racing industry. I was able to talk with the team president today. I was able to get his business card. We're definitely going to be keeping in communication. He also was able to point me in directions if there's not an opening coming so that I can follow it into other ways to get into professional racing and be able to start a career doing this.
I'm here at Pocono Raceway, and I'm helping out the Schmidt Peterson number 5 race team. I could get way closer to the car than I thought I could. I was surprised with the car wasn't super loud when it was just idling. It's when they get into the gas when it really gets loud, and boy does it get loud.